Hi everybody, welcome to today's webinar. I'm Ollie and we'll be covering voucher codes which will be used with the PrimaGo web store. If you are on our website currently watching the webinar, YouTube have informed us a couple of problems with the live chat. So if you want to direct over to the YouTube channel, you'll be able to ask any questions on the chat there, or if you don't need to ask any questions, you can stay on our website. Okay. Mike will be on the live chat as I said then, so any questions go over to YouTube and ask away on there. Okay, so first of all, for your voucher codes then, it's set up within your administration area of Prima. So when you come to log into Prima, if you select from the application drop down here and then select the administration area, so you'd sign in to your database with your details, and then once you've logged in, we go to the General tab. And then there's a section called Voucher Codes. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got a few voucher codes set up already. So you can manage existing ones as well, so if you wanted to reinstate a voucher code that you've already created. So in terms of creating a new one, we just go to this new voucher code at the bottom section there. Okay, so in terms of what these boxes mean, so the voucher code, that's what your customer is going to be entering at the checkout rather. So for example, if I just close this down and go into one of the existing ones, I'll show you one of the examples. So in this one here, we've got LFC10, which is the code. So when they go to check out on their order, they'll type in the voucher code and they'll then get this discount. Okay, so the description is what I'll show on the web store. So £10 off orders over £50. So you can do a fixed value, which the type can be selected from either fixed value or percentage. So it could be the case that you're offering £10 off orders over £50 or £10 off the first order or something like that. Otherwise you can use percentage and do some sort of discount off the order. So orders over £100 you get 20% off or anything like that. You can set those up within the administration. So the type would be, if it's a fixed value of a monetary value, or if it's a percentage, it would be a percentage off the order that they've placed. Fixed discount would just be according to whatever this is then going to be the value or percentage. So the fixed one would be, on this example, £10 as the value rather than 10% discount rather. Threshold, so that's the value that the voucher code would kick in. So on this one, it is a £10 off orders over £50. So when the order value hits £50, you would then sorry about that, that's the coffee machine in the background. The £50 you would then go over, and that's then when you get your £10 off the order. Okay, so the usage count, that's not active until December or January, but development are working on that currently, and basically what that'll be is how many times they can use that particular voucher code. So as an example here, 100 times you can use this code, and then once you've used it 100 times you can't use it anymore, and that's per company. So in December or January's release, that'll be included. So for example, if you're running an offer that they can only use once, that usage count would just be the one. Your start date and end date would be as they say on the tin. So started at the 4th of May and it will expire on the 31st of December. So if I put this into practice now, and I'll show you on our test web store. Okay, so if I just log in, okay, and I'll just add an item that's under £50 just to show you how it'll show you. So it's a good way to offer incentives to your customers as well. So if you're trying to push them to be ordering more than a £50 value, then basically the checkout will say spend so much more to qualify for your voucher code or something. So in here you can put in LFC10, and then that would then apply your discount. So if I just put in another item just to make it over £50, in fact that'll probably be better. So I'll just add that one. Go to checkout. Enter the voucher code, so LFC10, and add. And there you go. That's where your description then pulls in from your administration area, and that's telling you then you've got £10 off the order as well. Okay, so just to recap the setup, so if you are creating a new one, you would go to new voucher code. In terms of managing existing voucher codes, just a case of opening the voucher code and for example, perhaps this one you want to switch off, you can change the end date or change whether it's a fixed value or percentage, and also the fixed value or discount. Threshold would be the monetary value in which the voucher code would be applicable, and then the usage count, which will be available in December or January, is just how many times each company can use the voucher code. Okay, if you do have any questions, myself and Mike will be on the live chat, so please don't hesitate to ask away. But yeah, thank you for your time and have a great weekend.